The Gunlock State Park waterfalls, they're flowing right now. A rare phenomenon the park says has only happened 4 times in the last 15 years.
Samantha Hoffman is at the falls with more on what the Washington County Water Conservancy District is saying about the future of its water supply.
The Gunlock Reservoir supplies irrigation water for Santa Clara, Ivins, and West St. George. The Water District says that while the falls are indicative of a healthy water supply for the west side, it does not mean that the water is stable for the rest of the county, saying it's a terribly dry winter.
We were able to jump off them. We tested the heights and stuff.
I just like to listen to the water.
The Gunlock Falls are expected to flow for the next few weeks.
I was surprised that it was going this year without all the water we haven't had.
Corey Cram with the Water Conservancy District says the reservoir is at 106% capacity.
It does give a false sense of how well we're doing in the river system because this was a result of big precipitation events that don't do us that much in the watershed.
Cram says while storms wash through the system, snow melts slowly, offering a continuous water supply. But he calls this year's snow levels discouraging.
Quail Creek and Sand Hollow reservoirs in particular are going to be about 70% of normal, and so the year started out pretty pathetic, one of our worst on record.
While they feel they have enough water to last the next year, the district says they'll need users to make conscious water decisions moving forward. Is there a potential of using excess water here for other parts of the county?
In the future, probably 10 years down the road, we are working on plans to take wastewater and turn that into reuse water that can be used for agriculture. And then in turn, some of this water will be freed up and we will treat that for drinking water for use on the west side of the county.
Even if it's not the sign they wanted, hikers are enjoying the phenomenon.
I love the scenery, I love all the different falls, and it's great to see all the people out here taking advantage of this wonderful, beautiful falls that is just so unique. I love it.
If you plan on visiting the falls, the park regularly updates their website on whether they are flowing. They advise hikers to not jump in and be cautious as rocks can be very slippery. In Gunlock, Samantha Hoffman, KUTV News.